Okay, I think we're live. Hello. All right, so in this stream, hopefully it's going to be short, I am going to make an in-memory app auth service for my app. Now this is for our app, I should say, here with Jason. Right now, I think this doesn't really work because I need to start up by default. Let's see what it does here. By default, the auth service uses Cognito with the idea of replace me. There's nothing set up in AWS yet because, well, I'd need to terraform it. So, but I still want to test this out and I don't feel like terraforming it. We have this login button that doesn't, oh, that it works. But I can't log out because we removed the logout button. Probably should bring that back in. But the goal is to make a in-memory auth service. So I'm going to copy this. All I'm going to do is copy this and tell Pomodoro app, tell ChatGPT, make me an in-memory auth service. Here is the protocol. And all I do is right click, new file, Swift, file save as in-memory auth service. So then all I do is just copy this and paste, and we're done. Actually, one more thing. In main app, now instead of using the Cognito auth service, I will now put in memory auth service. Why is there a redeclaration? Why did it do that here? Cool, perfect. Yeah, that's good enough. Did it run? Nope, did not run yet.
Wait, how does it work? Can we look at the code?
Oh yeah, that's probably a good idea. All right. Wait, why is it have a private struct user? That's weird. Oh, because it's holding it internally. It's holding it. This is its database here, the dictionary of
So
string users.
you need to sign up first before you sign in, right?
Probably because by default the database is empty. But I was expecting. Let's see. I guess we were trying to use the login first. Login function, and because it probably hit this guard statement, I guess we hit invalid credentials.
Auth service error.
Yeah, that's the part I got confused about, but it's probably okay. So here we'll do sign up. Let's do Jimmy. Why is it uppercase? Password is password. Password. Sign up. Sign up successful. Probably could have a better UI here. That's not what I was expecting.
Oh, so now this is signed up? Signed in already?
We're signed up. We shouldn't have been signed in. So there's like some weird things going on here.
Well, no, if you signed up, then
yeah, but I hit back.
You should be signed in.
Maybe. I don't know. I haven't thought about the UX much yet, but I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting hitting back to go back to the login screen though. Like I was expecting from what I saw before with the Cognito auth service. Once you sign up, then.
Can we look at the code then? What happened when we signed in?
Yeah. Let's see here.
Like the view logic.
So that would be in login module. We have a path login. That's the login view. And all that all it has is email, password, a button to simulate login. Oh, here's the real login button. The action is login. Here's the fake login button, which simulates a login. And here's the sign up. It's a navigation link to sign up.
Okay.
Here's the login function.
Let's look at the sign up.
Oh, cool.
After you finish sign up, what do you do?
All right, that would be in this sign up thing, which is the sign up module. So once we're here, after we tap on the sign up button, here, it runs the sign up code. We also have go back, which just runs dismiss. We also already have an account login, which routes to the login. This is not necessarily a good way to do it because then it just adds to the navigation stack, I think. But it was just kind of quickly put together.
All right, maybe we should make that to dismiss
Well, we have a dismiss
instead
right
of
here.
navigating to one.
Well, we have a dismiss here, like to go back.
Yeah, but instead of
I, I wouldn't worry about it too much, Jason, because again, this was quickly put together just so we can move forward. I feel like if
okay,
we want to design a sign up, like I think all of it needs to be designed and not just like this one button at a time.
okay.
Like this had remember it was generated, had very little thought put into it. But with that said, sign up. It calls the auth service sign up. It prints sign up successful, and then oh, here you go. It changes the app state to logged in. Does sign up return a token? So here's the weird part here. This simulates, according to this code, it simulates sign up action, which I don't know if I really like. Because that's why when you hit back, you're logged in because the view before switched. I'm just gonna comment that up for now and see. I also want to bring back the log out button or somehow get a log out button.
Okay.
Let's see. All right, login failed. So that means we need to sign up. Sure, whatever. Okay, it's just easier that way. So you hit sign up successful. Oh yeah, actually, if I put a incorrect one, I guess login still failed. Probably need to change the message. But what if I put in the right one? Oh,
Nice.
look, login successful. The token is dummy token.
GG.
Which that was the Oh, yeah, that's pretty much it. Dummy token was this one here, so I guess that was kind of expected. I mean, I don't know what else to do. That's all I had in mind. You want to do anything else?
Why don't we do the backend too?
Oh, the backend's already implemented.
The token?
Yeah, it's implemented.
Oh.
We have an auth module, auth service here. Cognito auth service. This actually hits Cognito. Gets you back the Cognito token. So authentication works. I just wanted one in memory to make it less of a hassle. Because right now, if you want to do authentication on AWS, you have to spin up a Terraform instance, which is not that bad. We can just spin one up and leave it up. But I don't want to deal with that right now. Like it's just a lot easier when you deal all with everything in memory.
Yeah.
Although one thing that could make it easier is, do you want to have like a default user already signed up? You know?
Sure. Admin. Let's have admin. Yeah. Password is password.
Very secure.
Oh no, that's not the password. You need a user object. It's a dictionary of string to user object.
What's the first string? Email as the key. Oh, okay. Okay. That's interesting. this is just the index or indexed of the email. Okay, sure. Yeah, that's fine. All right, so now every time we run it, are you sure you want to type in email admin password every single time?
Because is it sensitive?
Yeah, it seems so. I don't like how this is. Why is it automatically making it uppercase?
I think it's the text field. That's like by
Oh,
default.
here it is. Look. Hey, look. What? Hey, it's already there. What was that commented out? Hey.
Hey yo.
Nice. Should we get rid of
Wait,
the...
what's the string addiction? What's a string and username? What's that? What is that? How does that work?
How does it work? Good question, Jason. Good question. Um, I guess you can think about, I don't know.
Sign in.
Yeah, let's think about sign up, right? So the email is
Oh,
the key, and then you get back a user with that key. This is the user.
well, how do you use the password?
Well, when you log in,
I sign up. Okay.
yeah, that was sign up. When you log in, you get an email password.
Oh.
So we make sure there's a user in the database. When I say database, it's just a dictionary. And then make sure the password matches with whatever's in the
Oh,
database.
okay. Instead of like having array of users, instead of parsing through every single user, use a dictionary
Yep, to
to log
immediately
out
look
the
it up.
email.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, simple, right?
Yeah. But can we make like a protocol to handle all this and then have a mock object? Oh,
You
this
mean
is
like
the
auth
mock
service?
object, right? Okay. Never mind. Never mind.
Yeah, Jason. All right, way ahead of you. So that's why
Yeah, wait.
I'm saying like, yeah, this is the protocol. So the app works off of this. That's why when in main app you register here's the protocol. All of the protocols have a generic name like auth service, socket service, to do service.
Mhm.
These are all protocols, and then the implementation is back here in
Okay.
memory, in memory, in memory. This one's API gateway. We can also make an in memory version of a WebSocket service.
Um, hold on. Can you go to in-memory service?
In memory auth service, or
This is a class? Is this a class with struct?
I guess this one's a class.
Okay. Uh, can can we solve the problem where like can you go back to the previous file? Can we solve the problem where we can only inject one type of protocol, one object with one
Mm,
type of protocol?
I don't
Can we
really,
have like one,
I don't
huh?
really want to do that right now.
Oh, why is it? Is it too
Uh,
hard?
well, there's a lot of problems with that.
Okay, tell
I
me.
mean, like, it's not that difficult. First of all, we'd have to go into Project I and change it over there. That's a different project. Second of all, the way Project I was
Mhm.
designed was for this specific case. So like
Okay.
by like it's not really a problem, Jason, because that's the way it's designed to work. Um,
Okay.
this is not a. I mean, like some either dependency injection containers or service locators are designed that way. This is not designed to work like that. So it's not a problem because that's how it was designed. We could make
Yeah, but
another.
okay.
No, go on, go on.
It's because this is very limited, because the reason why we use a protocol it's to make it more like reusable, like want to use the protocol more than once, not just like once, you know what I mean?
Not exactly.
So you can only inject one type of WebSocket service.
Sure. Let's
What if this other type of service?
well,
You can't
let's talk
really do
about it.
that.
How would that work? Like, let's say we do have we have another auth service, right? The Cognito one, right? Where we pass in client ID equals whatever, you know.
Mhm.
So how do you use this in your app in the modules? Like when they request for
Wait,
auth service.
how would they use it? App?
Like
They
here's the login
what
module,
is
right?
yeah
It uses an auth service.
yeah.
Um, what do you want to happen?
In this case, it doesn't. It just wants any type of auth service.
Yeah, login view is designed so like as long as you have some auth
Yeah,
service, it
but
will work.
there's only one auth service you can inject.
Sure. So what do you want to happen? Like what do you want to accomplish? What's the problem that you want to fix?
Okay, let's say just auth service, and then let's say in a different view, there's I don't know some different a different type of auth service.
Like another
Well, auth
login,
service.
like another
Okay,
login view,
auth
or
service. Yeah, auth service is a bad example, but can you go back to the main module, or whatever?
mm-hmm.
Yeah, there. Right now, let's say the WebSocket, right? You have WebSockets for I don't know, maybe chat. Okay, you can have like a chat WebSocket, and then you'll have like a friends list
Yep.
WebSocket. You
So
want to like have like multiple.
yeah, so
Yeah.
WebSockets. That's funny because WebSocket service here is a bad usage of this because if you recall in chat service we actually added
Mhm.
a WebSocket. Um, we added a WebSocket protocol in the chat service itself. So I think the way that the app is supposed to work is you're not supposed to have like one generic socket. Of course, the app can have multiple sockets, so this like should not be here.
Mhm.
The WebSockets should be inside of other services, not like a generic WebSocket service. This shouldn't really
Okay.
exist. Like this is supposed to be Pomodoro service. This was
Wait,
originally Pomodoro service.
but okay.
So we shouldn't.
So
This is
I
a
have a
bad example.
question.
Yeah.
So would this work? What if can you uncomment that
Oh
and then
yeah.
click on WebSocket service?
Yep.
Clicking it, yeah. And then if let's say you want friends list WebSocket service, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you just create a protocol and inherit the WebSocket service and then have nothing in that protocol. Would that work?
Can you repeat that?
So okay, okay, no, go back. Yeah, yeah. Can you make a new line after 17
Yep.
and then just type in protocol friends list
Wait, we have that.
WebSocket service. WebSocket service.
Mm-hmm. And do
And
that
then
again.
inherits the WebSocket service and does nothing. It has nothing.
I mean, you
Would
could.
that would that make a difference? Like, are we able to like
Yeah.
distinct when we
Yeah.
use the
Yeah. You can inject instances of this. So now you can request for a friends list WebSocket service if you wanted to as a server. Yeah.
okay? So it wouldn't get confused of which WebSocket service it should use, right?
Yeah, it's like if you are in your friends list module, then you request for your friends list, I guess, WebSocket service if you wanted to have that.
Yeah. Can we
Uh,
look at the project guide? I just want to refresh my memory on how that works.
which project I? Yeah. Let's go to GitHub.
Yeah.
Um, the best way, I believe, is to look at the README. You can ignore all
I want
that.
to see how register works.
Oh, well, just look at the code. There's only two things: TI container inject, register.
Okay.
Yep. So it's a singleton, and it's a dictionary of service. I
Mm,
should call it. I mean, this should really be called dependencies, not services. But you can ignore that. Just pretend they're the same thing in this
yeah.
case. It's just a dictionary, object identifier to any type. When you register, you have to pass in a type and a service, which is like a subclass or implementation of that type. So it has
Mm,
to match. Is that I think we get a string. Object identifier is basically a string. You get a string of the type, store that as a key, and then store
Yeah.
the actual service as the value. And that's pretty much it. It's just thrown into a dictionary. That's all.
Okay. What's the? Can we look at the inject?
Yep.
It's that's a property wrapper, right?
Yeah, inject property wrapper. All it does is goes to the singleton and tries to resolve that
Mm,
type.
okay.
It's just a dictionary. That's really all it is. So the
Inject.
injection just looks in the dictionary for that key and like stores it into the property. This is all via a global singleton. So it
Yep.
pulls
Yep.
it from the ether.
With the ether.
Pretty much.
Okay. All right. Cool. Cool.
Yeah. And again, you can design it to have like multiple, but explicitly here you can see there's a guard statement to check if the service is already registered. If it is, then service already registered. If you want to register multiple types, you're gonna have to you might have to differentiate which implementation you want, which might kind of defeat the purpose of service locator or dependency injection. Like I want an auth service, but it has a tag of in memory or it has a tag of something. Like you need a further
Mm,
past specifications. Or sometimes, like if you're doing a service locator, you don't actually care which implementation. Like maybe it could be like an array and like the container, the service locator might just give you a random instance.
yeah.
Sometimes that's fine. That's like round robin or like whatever strategy it uses. That could be a strategy for like performance reasons. Like, oh, this service is busy. Let me go to this other service that's less busy. That's more for like
Yeah.
APIs. This one's more of just yeah.
Okay.
That's just the style of this.
Sounds good.
Yeah. But yeah, webs we should. I don't really like this one. I'm gonna get rid of WebSocket service. Um. Yeah, I mean that's all I really had in mind for tonight. I guess I should commit it, huh? Should I? Wait, actually, Jason, do you want to make any more? Oh shoot, I can't log out. Let me just.
You want to
Would
make
you like
one?
any more changes? Then like, should we remove this login button because now we can just rely on this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Can we just add a logout button?
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. One moment. Let's see, login module. Let's go here. Nice.
What's the
Okay.
password again?
It's password.
Is it password or admin?
It's password. Do you want an
Okay.
admin or
No, no, no.
we can add multiple users? Wait, can we add multiple passwords? No, we can't. Nope, only one password. Previously there was a settings thing here which had a logout button.
Hmm.
How should we do this? Should we bring back the settings?
Sure. Wait, why are you getting rid of friends?
Oh yeah, I guess we could have left it. Okay, now it's annoying having to log in every single time.
Yeah.
All right, here's the logout button. Settings.
Um,
Boom, you're logged out.
um, what's in the settings again?
Well, let's find out. Just go to setting the module, and it's just the settings view, which is
Uh,
as a reference to the environment object app state. It's a text, a text, a text, a text, spacer, and a button. All the button does is set the
Wait.
app state to logged out.
Okay.
That's all it does.
All right.
Oh, I keep on hitting the enter key, expecting to log in. Maybe we should do that, right? Do you want to enter to? Wait, where did friends go? Oh, right, I didn't compile. ones here.
Yeah. How many tabs can you put in there?
You want to find out?
Yeah.
Let's just do this.
Yeah, I think let's just leave it for that for now.
Keep on hitting the enter key.
Wait, what?
Oh,
Oh, what the
what?
hell? Wait, what?
Is your mind blown, Jason? Actually, I had no idea
Hold
this was
on.
a thing.
Wait, hold on. Is this Swift UI stuff
Yeah,
or is this more for
yeah, Swift UI.
really?
Yeah, so we can add as many tabs as we want. Apparently. I mean, dude,
Wait,
you
what
saw the code
the?
I changed. Just added more tabs, and
Yeah.
it made the screen.
What? Holy shit. I was not expecting this.
Me neither. Oh, you can also put badges. Um, this doesn't really say too much. Okay, well, now we know. Now you know. I hate this create button, but okay, yeah. Why not? How many modules we got here? Oh, we got the friends, we got the to do, we got the Pomodoro main settings. We got the settings. Yeah, okay, that's pretty much all of it for now. I feel like settings needs to be here. No, Pomodoro remote needs to get out. Needs to move.
Wait, why?
That because that should be in more. I think. I want settings to be immediately available. Oh, see, so now I have settings. Oh wait, and then I guess remote's still there, but if we had more, oh that's weird now.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Damn.
Whatever. At least good question. We learned something.
Yeah.
Can we use the to-do module? Let's see. Work on chat. Create. All right, come on. We gotta finish this. And
Oh
then you mark it
shit,
as complete. Oh, it's completed. Wait, I don't want to complete it. Uncomplete. I have no uncomplete button.
Oh wow. Wait, what?
What?
What kind of view is that?
What? This one? Which one?
No, the to-do view.
I think it's like two list views. So that's the to-dos. It's a to-do list view. And there, it's a navigation stack. It has a group, which is two sections. It's two sections with and two lists. One list in each section. It's a section of inbox and a section of completed.
Mm. But how do you make it hide if there's nothing in there?
I don't think I did anything specific. It's just saying, list for each to do, put a to do detail view. So if there's nothing in the list, it just doesn't put
Oh,
anything. Like it doesn't render anything.
interesting.
Although ideally, I think it should say like no,
Gee.
like none completed or something like that. Oh, and we can do
Yeah,
so much with this with a to do list UI. Like the structure's there, right, Jason? Like we just need
yeah.
to make it look nicer, and then we can start using it ourselves. And why is there 4 create buttons
Dang.
up here? I don't know what's going on with the create
Oh,
at
what
the.
the hell? Where's the create button?
Let's find out. To do list view. I don't know. Oh, here it is.
Oh, right
Toolbar.
here.
So in Swift UI, let's see. We put it on the group as a the group is a toolbar with a toolbar item. Create. So if I move forward, I don't know how that makes any sense. What? Why does it create 4 times? Hold up. I think the preview is different. Like, it's only here once. The problem is I only want it on the to-do tab. I didn't want it on the Pomodoro tab. Maybe I need to move this down. Whoops. So toolbar, maybe put the toolbar on the navigation stack. I think I broke it. It's gone. Nope, it broke. Well, anyways, I'm gonna figure more about that later. All right, we good? Should we get ready for bed? All right, last thing I'm gonna do is commit this. Cause why not? What did we do today? We don't want.
You gotta ask ChatGPT to do it for you.
Of course, you know it. All right, we changed it to in-memory auth service. Oh, why did that move? Okay, we need this. I don't know why the to-do service moved. I don't want that. And discard these. Okay. Ooh, okay. That's good. That's good. Okay, bringing back settings. That sounds good. We can probably just delete that. Sign up module. Where is it? Here. So for now, all I was just gonna do is just print in the console. Oh yeah, and the implementation.
What's Bootstrap zip?
This is the file. It's a file that's created when you build the backend. I think it is uploaded to Lambda.
Wait, why?
This is the backend code, like the binary of the backend code of the service. So you upload it to Lambda.
Why is it there?
From last
automatically generates every time?
No, from last time when I was working on this.
Oh,
okay. I just didn't delete it and I didn't get ignored or anything. So just leaving it there for now.
Gotcha.
I think this is fine for now. You know, small and you know, we'll need to update the login module and sign up module, make it look nicer and whatnot. But for now, accomplished. Go last thing. Oh right, where's the? I'm gonna move it up higher. Git diff staged pipe to PB copy. Give me a git. Add in-memory auth service and update login functionality. Implemented that conforms to the auth service protocol with sign up login for cat. Added to the project. Modified login module to integrate with the new and adjusted that to include and updated that for better user experience. Sure, why not? Yeah, that's probably good enough. All right, let's do it. Cool. If you want this in yours, you can sync up your main and then like pull it into your branch if you want to get these changes.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, you can continue working. It shouldn't really change anything about your chat service.
Yep.
All right, we good? I'm gonna end the stream.
We Gucci.
Later, everyone. Bye.